Hi there, this is Josh with Green Mountain Grills, and today I'm going to walk you through how to replace the igniter on your grill. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the heat shield and grease tray from the unit, get down to the fire pot, and the next you're going to want to make sure the grill is unplugged. Next, you're going to remove the bottom grate. There's 4 screws on the front of the hopper, 4 on the back. Remove those and you should be able to remove the hopper grate there. After you remove the lower hopper guard, you'll locate the 2 igniter wires, and they will be held up by a zip tie along with the other parts of the wiring. Just clip the zip tie with some scissors, find the 2 igniter wires, and disconnect them. So once you have the igniter wires disconnected, you can now grab onto the element itself and pull it out. If you notice the wires are getting caught up at all, you want to go down here, go underneath the hopper, and help feed the wires through the little tube. This will help push the wires through and it'll slide out nice and easy. Once you get the old igniter removed, you can take your new igniter and begin the installation. What you'll first want to do is find the little hole beneath the auger tube. You'll take the lead into the wires, stick them into the hole, and you'll start feeding the wires back through the igniter tube. And you'll also want to make sure that the igniter is flush up against the fire pot on the side there. You don't want it hanging into the fire pot where wires can be exposed. And at this point, once you get it flush against the wall of the fire pot here, you'll go underneath the hopper, and there you can reconnect the blue and yellow igniter wires, and then you'll want to zip tie the wiring back up. And that's it. That's all it takes to replace the igniter. For more tips and tricks, feel free to check out greenmountaingrills.com and go to the video section.